Welcome to this video on meme coins. If you're wondering what meme coins are and where they came from, you're in the right place. Meme coins are a type of cryptocurrency that have gained popularity recently. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, meme coins are usually based on memes or internet jokes. They're often created as a fun and lighthearted alternative to more serious cryptocurrencies. The first meme coin to gain widespread attention was Dogecoin, which was created in 2013 as a joke by two software engineers. The coin's mascot is a Shiba Inu dog, which became popular on the internet as a meme. Despite starting as a joke, Dogecoin gained a huge following and even received support from celebrities such as Elon Musk.
Part of the reason why I think there's some merit to Dogecoin, even though it was obviously created as a joke, is that it actually does have a much higher transaction volume capability than Bitcoin, and the cost of doing a transaction, the Dogecoin fee is very low. Like right now, if you want to do a Bitcoin transaction, the price of doing that transaction is very high, so you could not use it effectively for most things.
Since the success of Dogecoin, many other meme coins have been created, each with their own unique backstory and community. Some examples include Shiba Inu coin, SafeMoon, and Akita Inu. While meme coins may seem like a silly fad, they've actually become a significant part of the cryptocurrency world. In fact, some analysts predict that they could play a major role in the future of finance. So whether you're a crypto enthusiast or just curious about internet culture, meme coins are definitely worth keeping an eye on. Now that you know what meme coins are and where they came from, let's talk about what they're used for. Like other cryptocurrencies, meme coins can be used as a form of payment or investment. However, due to their volatile nature and lack of regulation, meme coins are generally considered to be riskier investments than more established cryptocurrencies. One popular use for meme coins is as a way to tip or reward content creators on social media platforms. For example, fans of a particular influencer or content creator may use a meme coin to show their appreciation for their work. Meme coins can also be used to buy merchandise or services from businesses that accept them as payment. Another way that meme coins are used is through pump and dump schemes. In these schemes, a group of investors artificially inflate the price of a meme coin by buying large amounts of it and promoting it on social media. Once the price reaches a certain point, the investors sell their coins, causing the price to crash and leaving other investors with significant losses. While meme coins can be used for legitimate purposes, it's important to be aware of the risks involved before investing in them. As with any investment, it's important to do your own research and not invest more than you can afford to lose. Overall, meme coins are a unique and interesting phenomenon in the cryptocurrency world. While they may not be for everyone, they've certainly captured the attention of many investors and internet users alike. Now that you know what meme coins are and how they're used, you may be wondering if it's possible to make money from them. The answer is yes, but it's important to approach meme coins with caution. As mentioned earlier, meme coins are often subject to volatility and can experience rapid price fluctuations. This means that investing in meme coins can be risky and unpredictable. However, some investors have been able to make significant profits by investing in meme coins at the right time and selling them when the price rises. One way to potentially profit from meme coins is through trading. This involves buying and selling meme coins on cryptocurrency exchanges based on their price movements. However, it's important to note that trading requires a certain level of expertise and carries risks. Another way to potentially earn from meme coins is by mining them. Mining involves using computer power to solve complex algorithms and validate transactions on the blockchain. In exchange for their work, miners are rewarded with new meme coins. However, mining requires significant technical knowledge and specialized equipment. Finally, as mentioned earlier, meme coins can be used for tipping content creators or making purchases. By accepting meme coins as payment, content creators and businesses can potentially earn a profit. In conclusion, meme coins are a unique and interesting aspect of the cryptocurrency world. While it's possible to earn from them, it's important to approach them with caution and do your own research before investing. As with any investment, there are risks involved, but for those who are willing to take a chance, meme coins may offer an exciting opportunity to profit from the world of internet culture.